Well, here we go again. Hyperia has valleyed in Fearless Valley, and the train's kind of stuck. But fear not, because engineers are on the case, and they've actually removed some of the wheels from the Hyperia train, used the crane to kind of lift parts of it off, and then today they've been seen putting parts of these trains onto a lorry, which has then transported the train from Fearless Valley to another part of the park. And Thorpe Park social media about this event has been like... because they've pretty much released nothing since it closed. They just said it wouldn't be open and then just kind of went away. But when will Hyperia reopen again? Well, realistically, we're not too sure. Thorpe Park said that it would close, I think it was on the 19th of June, and they haven't really said anything from then. We pretty much knew that it wasn't going to reopen in the next few days because they'd have to remove the train and then test it all over again. But rumours have been going around that the train obviously valleyed due to dummies, or the lack of dummies in this case, which meant that the train obviously couldn't make it round and, of course, stalled. It's a little bit funny at this point. It's a new ride. Obviously, there's a lot of kinks to iron out, and the t-shirt is quite crinkly. So hopefully they can smoothen out a lot of these kinks and wrinkles and stuff, because it is a little bit embarrassing for Thorpe Park, and not only Thorpe Park, but also Mack Rides, because obviously this is their roller coaster. And if you listen closely in the background to this video, you can just about hear Amanda Thompson laughing. Come on, Hyperia, please reopen for summer and be reliable. Not just reopen, but reopen for more than a week. But no, genuinely, if you have booked, I do feel your pain, and hopefully Thorpe Park can get this back up and running as soon as possible. And of course, we'll keep you updated, as we always do when Hyperia opens and closes, which has been way too much. Way too much that the last 20,000 videos has been about Hyperia. Please, Thorpe Park, just get it open reliably. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.